Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to discuss you about logical operators in C# language. These logical operators are used to determine the logic between two variable values which are having and in between the two values. See, the logical operators are AND operator. It will be called as logical AND. It will returns like a true or false Boolean expression. The statement will give the result output. See, as you understand in your mathematics classes, like x less than 5 and using AND operator and x less than 10. If both x value is like less than 5 and less than 10 in between, if it is both conditions are true, then only it will give you a true condition overallly and it will make a move to the next step. Or else if any one of the condition is false, either this one or this, it will be make the sense of total value as false. So either two or more comparative, using these comparative operators applying like this will use for AND operator. Similarly, it's in a two slanting lines, two lines are here. It is called logical OR. It will returns like a true or false how the previous session of AND it is explained. In between the two values, we are going to declaring this OR operator. What it will say, either this true or this true. The value will be total, will get true. If both are false means we'll get false. OR operator, how we are using in mathematics, similarly it will be applied here. In NOT, exclamatory mark, logical NOT, reverse, the result returns false if the result is true. Overallly, if the result if it is true means like a quite opposite, it will be tell in NOT. Once we declare like a NOT equal, like a NOT option, and this within the parenthesis we'll write this particular two comparison of two things using AND operator. And similarly, we have in a NOT equal to this also. Yes, we can use. So many options will be see on next lectures. Thank you.